Hello guys, this is Mukesh Gautam here and welcome back to my channel Entrepreneur Voice or Voice of Entrepreneur. Alright, so today I'm going to teach you how to live the peaceful life in this pandemic situation. And listen to me very carefully what I am saying and try to understand this unique lesson. Alright, so let's begin. So this coronavirus is change or become world war now these days. So the question is why? Why one person is infected and other one is not? One is worried about this virus and one is living their life freely. One is very carefully and careful about but still scared and frustrated. And other one is peaceful and happy. So what is the reason behind it? Is it magic or they are different? Think about that. Think very deeply and try to understand. So there is no any magic landing or they are no different. All are same. The human being all are same. Alright. So if you're watching or listening to this video or unique lesson, it means you are connected to me. Even I am connected to you. Alright. There is only one answer of this question, why one person is scared or one is happy, why one is peaceful and other one is frustrated. So listen very carefully. Anything you can imagine in your mind you can manifest in your reality. Alright, I repeat again, anything you can imagine in your mind you can manifest it in your reality. जब आप कुछ सोचते हैं आप अपने बॉडी से एक फ्रिक्वेंसी जनरेट करते हैं, ठीक है, वो फ्रिक्वेंसी जनरेट होके वापस आप ही के पास आती है. तो ऑलवेज बी केयरफुल व्हाट यू आर थिंकिंग और व्हाट यू ट्राई टू फील. ऑलराइट, आप क्या महसूस करना चाहते हैं. You in this pandemic situation you better know the power of positive thinking and power of now. So guys, always live in present, start your life with new beginning, change your past life. What is happening and what is going to happen you can't predict. All right, and you never predict what is going to happen. So this is also known as universal law and लॉ ऑफ नेचर, जो आप कभी चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन से दिस इज इन्फिनाइट और बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट. ऑलराइट, I do lots of research on this coronavirus and the result is become yes, this is not made, this is natural occurrence. It is natural occurrence, it means something is wrong happening on earth. Alright, so live the life of honesty and integrity and be honest to yourself and most important to other. One dangerous line is if you are not honest or not living the life of honesty and integrity in this pandemic situation, it means you are attracting coronavirus in your life. अगर आप ये चाहते हैं कि आपको कोरोना वायरस ना हो तो आप अपने इनर ब्यूटी को और ब्यूटीफुल कीजिए. डू मेडिटेशन, योगा, टेक प्रॉपर डाइट, spread humanity and kindness, be kind to yourself and others. This is the only simple way to get rid of this coronavirus in this pandemic situation. Yes, there is lots of videos and lots of news channels. They are spreading negativity in this public, or yes, maybe they are right but not 100% right. Alright, so think very deeply and try to understand in this pandemic situation. So guys, thank you for listening this video or this recording. Gratitude from my deep heart and stay blessed. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.